What is up, geniuses? The Amazon Genius Academy is coming down, and there's only 4 days left to get in. While it is still 2019, it won't be coming back again until 2020. And when it comes back in 2020, the price is probably going to be at least double. So, whether you're ready to get started now or you need a little bit of time to get started, it's still a good time to get in and save yourself $1,000 or $500 by getting into the Genius Academy right now. Key points inside of the Genius Academy: not only am I mapping every single little thing you could possibly think of, A to Z, step by step guide, sharing my screen inside of my Amazon accounts, going and sourcing products in China, creating a listing on Amazon.com, optimizing a listing on Amazon.com, how to find award winning products, how to find, how to trademark products, how to do absolutely everything it is that you need to do, and then we can monetize that business. I am going to take all of your products ideas, and I do it for every single student. You send me links of all of your product ideas once you've watched my product research module on what I'm teaching you. You're going to take that and apply it to all of your ideas, and you're going to be looking for things that you never even thought you would be looking for once I open your eyes up and open your mind up to all of these different ways of thinking that are going to work, because they work over and over again for tons of students. So once you put together all of those ideas and you've watched product research, then you're going to email me all those links if you want. You don't have to. You'll email me all these links, and then I will personally go through all of your ideas, and I will reply back, or we'll get on the phone and I will explain to you, okay, this product is a good idea and this is why. This one's a bad idea. This is why. This one, we're kind of teetering, right? Like, these are the pros and cons, and kind of get your mind thinking on how to look for products and what not to look for. And I'm going to personally, on top of being in the Genius Academy, mentor you and go through everything that there is that you need to know. And I'm going to set you up so that when you first launch your very first product, that you are set up for the biggest chance of success, and we find something together that should make you money day in and day out. Okay. On top of that, there's a whole platform, there's a whole template on sourcing products from China, how to source products from China, copy and pasting my template on platforms like AliExpress and Alibaba.com, and learning how to negotiate and pivot and get products from China here to the United States. But in a recent announcement lately, I am now allowing all of my students inside of the Genius Academy. If you want, again, you can still follow my step by step guide and template. But if you want, I'm giving everybody access to my suppliers in China that I've been using for over 10 years now. They're all vetted, they know what to look for. They're going to put barcodes on your products for you. We're going to take care of everything. I'm going to be able to, once we choose a product, I'm going to be able to get that product shipped and here into the United States within 7 days. Okay, so it's going to greatly streamline the process. So once you get in the Genius Academy, you could have a product on Amazon.com within 30 days. You could have something on Amazon within 30 days, and it might be a product that you bought 100 units and it could only cost you $100 because the product was only $1 a unit, and we sell it for 10, 15, $20 a unit depending on what the item is. Okay, but we're not going to find any products that are $10 and you have to buy 100 units and you spend $1,000 on this investment. That is not how we're going to do things. I like to personally get everybody's feet wet with the first product, get used to everything. All products I buy, everything I buy, nothing ever costs more than $5. So if I buy 100 units at $5, it's a $500 investment. Okay. I have products, a lot of products that cost me 50 cents, and I buy 100 units and it only costs me $50, or I'll buy 500 units, right? And it's much, much smaller of an investment than you guys are thinking. And then once we kind of get going a little bit more and you're used to things, then we can do some extra things like optimizing your listings and all of that kind of stuff. So you do not have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. There are options in doing product launches and giveaways and all of these things that we can invest a little bit more money into. But I'm constantly listing new products all the time, maybe once a month, a new product I'm introducing to the market. And I don't do full scale product launches. I'm teaching you how to take very, very highly searched, highly targeted keywords, putting it in the back end of your listing and organically getting sales, right? It could take a little bit longer this way, but it is gonna get sales, and these products will start selling if we do it the right way. Um, and then we can do little things like do a small advertisement of maybe $5 a day or $20 a day to market that product and see how that goes. And then we can kill off those ads if they do good or not. But we get a lot of information from doing those ads, and we can take those keywords that people are searching and we can drop them and put them into the back end of your listing so that organically is selling. So there's tons and tons of things that I'm going to mentor you on top of what I've already spent the last 5 years of my life putting together with having the Genius Academy in itself. On top of that, I'm going to spend hours of my time with you guys. We can do screen shares. I can show you the inside of my computer. I can go over things. I can take over and help you inside of your Amazon account. Once you get going, we can meet up for coffee. We could get on the phone. We could chat through Instagram, Facebook. All of my students, I exchange my phone number with them so that they can text me if they ever need anything, because that's usually always the fastest way to go. It's really a personal thing. I have friends and family that have invested in this and entrusted in me, what I've put together with the Genius Academy. So trust me when I tell you guys, it is everything, and I take such pride and joy in helping people change their lives and earn extra income off of something that I have developed. So I want you to know it's a no bullshit thing. This is really an amazing product, and it doesn't take a crazy amount of work or effort, right? You just want to be consistent like anything else working the program. But I'm going to be here step by step. So once you find a product, we've streamlined the whole thing by using my suppliers in China, and I'll have that all taken care of, and we'll work side by side getting your product here and shipped and to an Amazon warehouse, where again, Amazon is going to ship, pack, fulfill, tracking number. If there's a return, they'll deal with it. If there's any issue, Amazon's going to deal with all of it. Your number one job is to find a good product, which is what I am teaching you. I am literally showing you step by step how to find a good product. And you guys have absolutely nothing to lose, okay? I give you 100% of your money back if you are unhappy in the course and you've watched it and it's within 14 days. But if you've watched it, right, for 14 days or a couple days of those 14 days and you were like, this is just too complicated, or I don't freaking understand this, or I don't want to do this, you will 100% get your money back. No ifs, ands, or buts. I don't want to lock you in or tie you into anything, so you can feel free to get inside of the Genius Academy, take a look around. If you don't like it or don't want to do the work and you don't think it's for you, then I will give you your money back. No problem. So you really, really, really have nothing here to lose. I am that confident that what I am offering you and what I spent all of 2018 building to put together this program is very airtight. Every detail, like, you guys will be blown away. I promise you, there's so much information in this academy, and I am constantly adding more things. Always be adding new things to the Genius Academy, and all of you students will have access to these things all the time. So that is everything. I really want to just let you guys know that it's so much detail, even if you are not computer savvy. I am telling you, it is literally my screen being shared with you, showing you how to create a listing. So you watch what I do, and then you go ahead and put it in on your account, right? You're literally just mimicking, copying exactly what I'm doing step by step. and implementing that into your own business. So that is it, guys. The Genius Academy is coming down soon. It won't be up again until 2020, and it will cost a lot more money than it costs now. That is because it's such a good program. Truly, it works if you're going to work at it. I know it. I know it 100%. It's worked for students. I have students already making $4,000, $6,000 a month, $1,000 a month extra, a couple $100 a month extra. Everybody's a little different. Everybody has, a full-time job and kids, and people are sick, or who knows what's going on in your life. But if you can just set aside a little bit of time every week or every day, I'm telling you, and slowly chip away at your goals, you can easily earn passive income selling on Amazon with what I'm teaching you inside of the Genius Academy. I promise you that. So if it's something you guys are interested in, if you have more questions, send me a DM, shoot me a message, shoot me a text, whatever it is. There's only 4 days left. Remember that. 4 days. I'm telling you, just take action. Hit me up. I want to help. Trust me. So hit me up. There's 4 days left to get on board. If you have questions, again, we'll go over everything in more detail. If there's anything I haven't answered, there's a lot of information on my YouTube. If you want to check out my YouTube, the IGTV, there's some other videos that are very informative. And you can go right on the website. The link is in the bio on my Instagram or on my Facebook. And you can go to FBAgeniuses.com, and that is going to have a free 1.5 hour webinar training that you need to watch on anything but a cell phone, because if there's any interruptions, you can get booted out, and I can't guarantee that you'll get back in. You'll have to re-register and start all the way over. But if you want to make things quicker, or if you're just ready to get on board, just go to FBAgeniuses.com, the link in the bio or the Facebook. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that first page that pulls up, and there's a little tiny thing that says purchase. You click that, and it'll bring you to the checkout page. And then you'll be able to get inside of the Genius Academy. And again, within 14 days, you will get all of your money back. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. So I'm telling you guys, if you want to slowly chip away at a goal to help change your life and make some more freaking money, you will get inside of the Genius Academy and take advantage at this price point right now. So get on board, geniuses. Let's make this money.